Okay, hurry up and finish those.
What is the most challenging thing you have done in this class?
Right now, is actually the most challenging thing because right now we're programming artificial intelligence or AI, and right now we're coding bots. And right now I don't exactly understand how to do some features. Like I understand what the code is, but now we're faced with the task of creating our own code. So that's kind of like putting all my skills together and creating this code. So that's kind of hard right now, but I think I'll get through it.
Why did you choose to take the program?
Because it's math and science related and it has everything to do with STEM, and I kind of enjoy that.
What kind of projects are you working on currently?
We're currently working on an AI, artificial intelligence, to get our bot to do something like against a human and have it do something that without inputs by a human.
Do you think you'll use any of this information you have learned in this class in the future?
Oh yeah, for sure. Cause I want to go like in the technological like workspace. So like being part of knowing how to code is probably going to be really important.
What advice would you give to someone else taking this class next year?
Probably look into it a little beforehand because there's a lot of stuff to know, and you can never know all of it. It's just there's so much stuff to know. The more you know, the better you'll be at the class.
So when you take this class, right, just be mentally prepared to like, just be sure to face your problems head on and like to always push at what you're trying to do. Like, it may seem hard at first, but you just gotta keep going.
Alright. And the last question is, what skills have you gained from taking this course?
I learned how to program, and I know what it is now. I understand the internet better, and I understand how things work on the internet.
What got you interested in teaching a programming class?
So I got interested in teaching programming because I originally was actually teaching life sciences, and when I looked at the two different things, life science is a very cerebral thing. A lot of it happens in your head. As a teacher, you're teaching people to think about a certain thing. Whereas with programming, you're really teaching somebody a skill. You're teaching them how to create, how to make, how to actually have something at the end of the day where they can point at and go, I made this thing.
How long have you been teaching students?
So I've been teaching for, this is my 13th year teaching now. I have been teaching computer science with Summit for the last 5 years. Before that, I was teaching both math and life sciences.
Why do you think students should know how to program?
So I believe that everybody should know how to program. It's a skill, it's a tool, it's something that we can use to accomplish different things. As we go into the future, more and more jobs are going to require that people understand how to program. As somebody who goes into anything, you could look at how could I take a programming skill and apply it to make my job better, faster, more efficient, easier, whatever it is that you want.
Any advice for anyone taking this class in the future?
Anybody who wants to get into programming, whether through another class or one of mine, programming at first seems or feels very difficult. You feel very overwhelmed at the beginning, but if you put in the effort, the time, you ask questions, you're willing to be wrong and just try things out, it's something that anybody can learn how to do.